Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful hand embroidery designs. Embroidery is a lovely art where we decorate fabric using needle and thread. Hand embroidery is very special because it is handmade. It shows creativity, patience and love. You can use embroidery on clothes, cushions, tablecloths and many other items. Let's explore some easy and beautiful embroidery designs. First is the flower design. Flower embroidery is very popular. You can make small or big flowers using colorful thread. Roses, sunflowers and simple petals look very pretty on any fabric. Next is the leaf pattern. Leaf designs are simple and easy for beginners. You can use basic stitches to create beautiful leaves around flowers or as a separate designs. Another lovely idea is the border design. You can decorate the edges of your fabric with embroidery borders. This looks great on the dupattas, sleeves and table covers. Simple lines and patterns can make your fabric look elegant. Now let's talk about traditional embroidery style. These designs include cultural patterns and detailed work. They look rich and beautiful, perfect for special clothes. You can also try name or letter embroidery. This is a fun idea. You can stitch names or handkerchiefs, shirts or gifts. It makes your item personal and unique. Another popular idea is the mirror work embroidery. In this design, small mirrors are added with stitches. It looks bright and color, especially on traditional dresses. First is the running stitch. This is simplest stitch and perfect for beginners. Next is the chain stitch. It looks like a chain and is great for outlines. Another is the satin stitch. This stitch is used to fill shapes and gives a smooth look. You can also use the back stitch for neat lines and designs. Now here are some easy tips. Always use good quality thread and fabric. Use an embroidery hoop to keep your fabric tight. Take your time and stitch slowly for neat work. Practice is very important. The more you practice, the better your design will look. You can mix different colors to create beautiful patterns. Don't afraid to try idea. Embroidery is not just a hobby, it is relaxing and enjoyable. It helps you feel calm and creative. You can also make handmade gifts using embroidery. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.